House! Miss House, I need your help! Miss House!
Frisbee, calm down. What's going on?
Oh, thank goodness you're here, Miss House. I gotta sign my name and I have no idea how.
You need to sign your name? What are you trying to write?
It's a thank you letter, and I need to sign my name at the end of it. Otherwise, they won't know who it's from.
It's very true, and learning how to sign your name is a very important skill that you have to learn, so I think I can help you with this.
You're the best.
Well, in order to sign our names, we have to use special kinds of letters that are called cursive letters.
A curse?
It's not a curse, it's cursive.
Oh, there's a difference.
Cursive, yes. Cursive letters look a little bit different than those stick letters that we learned in elementary school.
Did you say stick?
Why do I always do that?
Oh, I got one right here.
Stick, of course.
Oh, and I got another one.
Two sticks.
Here's a third.
Enough sticks. Frisbee, that's enough sticks. Where did you get 3 sticks from?
I always have a spare supply.
Well, that's probably a good idea there, buddy. I'm gonna move your sticks over here. If that's okay with you?
That's okay, just don't bring them out of my eyesight.
Okay, I'm gonna leave them right here, okay? All right, well, I'm gonna be sure and not say that word again, okay? Because I don't want any more of those things to come up here when we're trying to learn something important.
I got a whole bundle down here.
I bet you have a whole rick of wood down there. So, when you print letters, we use lots of straight lines with very few curved lines. But when you write in cursive, you write those letters very curvy.
Ooh.
Exactly. So, when we write in cursive, you connect each letter to the letter that's in front of it and behind it.
Wow, that sounds like it may get dizzy.
Well, you might get a little dizzy trying this. But did you know, Frisbee, that you can write an entire word without even picking up your pencil one time?
That sounds like magic.
It is magic. It's the magic of cursive.
Cursive!
And cursive writing is really supposed to help you write faster, and it looks beautiful when you do it correctly.
Well, great. Let's get going.
And you have to know how to write cursive to sign your name.
That's what I need it for.
That's exactly right. So the motion of writing cursive is a little bit different than when we get to write those straight letters that we learned in elementary school. So in printing, we typically write with our hands going like this, up and down and side to side, sometimes even diagonally. But in cursive, our hands kind of go all over the place. That's exactly right. So our motions are fluid and loopy. So let's look at some of these letters. So if you look at some of these letters, you can see that there's hardly any straight lines on those letters, and there's lots of curves.
Curves? Very curvaceous.
It is curvaceous. So let's try and write Frisbee's name.
Okay.
Now, to write your name, I have to start with the first letter. What is the first letter of your name, Frisbee?
Well, it's F, of course.
F, and F, I'm gonna be honest, is one of the trickiest letters to write in cursive. So, watch close.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna make a little loopy curve. I go across, and then I'm gonna come down and go like that.
Wow.
I know, it looks a little silly, doesn't it?
A little bit.
It does, but that's the beauty of cursive writing, is that I'm gonna keep going, and as I'm writing your name, you're gonna see it start to emerge.
Okay.
All right, so let's go on. I'm gonna go on now. Now that I've done the F, I'm gonna come down and make the R, okay? There's the R, the I, the S, the B, and the E, and the E. And then I have to come back and I have to dot the I, and then I'm gonna cross my little F on the top.
Oh.
So if you look now, I can write that letter or that whole word without picking my pen up until I have to go back and dot that I.
Yeah, of course. Those are important.
They are important. Let's go ahead and try one more word. I'm gonna try your favorite word of bark.
Bark!
I love writing a cursive B. I think they're beautiful. And if you watch me, my pen does not leave a single time.
Wow.
I wrote that whole word without picking up my pen once.
What was the word?
Bark.
Bark!
It was bark. Well, Frisbee, do you think you're ready to write your name?
Oh, I think so, but you may have to help me.
I will help you. Let's get all your stick dirt off of here. Here we go. Here's your pen. Okay, there's your pen. All right,
I dropped it.
Frisbee.
There it is.
All right, I'm gonna hold the pen with you. Okay, we're coming down. Let's do your F. Ready? Oh, do you feel those curves? There's our F, R, I, S, B, E, and E. Frisbee, you wrote your name!
Oh, goodness, Miss House. Thank you so much. Now I can get a driver's license.
You can get a driver's license. I cannot wait to ride in the car with you, Frisbee.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be a great time.
Oh, my
I can
goodness.
deliver this thank you letter.
Well, I hope y'all practice all of your cursive writing, and you'll come back for more fun with Arkansas Rise and Shine.
Do you have any stamps?
More ways to show